Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to open zip files on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, here is a zip file .zip right over here, and if you double tap on it, you can see here is a file full of files. So we need to unzip it, and to use the files we need to unzip the folder. So how we can do that? The best way you can do it is to go to a browser and search for WinRAR, WINRAR, WinRAR. So search for it, and from here you can see on the first website, WinRAR download free support WinRAR. You need to tap on the download WinRAR option from here, and from here you will see options, more options, but you need to select this option called WinRAR 701 English 64-bit. You need to select this option. The WinRAR will start it downloading. Alright, as you can see, we have successfully downloaded the WinRAR. So let's just open it. After that, you need to select this option, install, and now you need to select all these options like ISO and jar file also. Then click on the OK button and then done. And now if you right click on this option, this folder, as you can see here we got an option called WinRAR. You need to select this WinRAR and extract here. Just tap on this option and it will extract, and we got the file. So as you can see, we have successfully extracted the files. So that's how you can open zip files and use the files on the zip. So thank you so much guys for watching.